Using the annotation tools can either be done using the pen or using your finger, but we need to make sure in order to access those that our PC interactivity is switched to annotation mode. From here, you'll notice on the toolbar at the bottom, a number of annotation tools have popped up. So I have choices of pen, highlighter, I can draw shapes, there's an eraser, and then I can also choose to interact with what's on the board, kind of like a mouse would. So with this one, with the pen, I can then select to be writing in red, and now as I go across the board with the pen, I'm writing in red. You'll notice that my finger is not writing in red because my finger will be recognized by the projector as a different annotation tool. If I select blue for my finger, now my finger can write in blue and the pen can still write in red. And they can do that simultaneously if I had two people up at the board writing at the same time. Another way to pull up the menu on the toolbar here for how I want to annotate is with the pen, the button on the pen. If you have it set to do this, when you hold the pen within field of the board and click the button, it will pull up the menu options that we have to select between pen, highlighter, or drawing shapes. And then I can go ahead and choose what shape I want to draw, and it will draw the shapes that I choose. If I have a lot of annotation going on the board and I'm looking to erase it, I have the choice of choosing the eraser and erasing away. If I erase something that I didn't mean to, there is the undo button down here at the bottom that I can choose, and it will undo the erase. Or similarly, if I write on the board and I didn't mean to do that, I can also undo what I did. If I have a lot of annotation going on, I can also delete all of the annotation by clearing the screen. I click the trash can at the bottom, clear screen, you bet, and then I can go back this way. And then when I'm finished, if I want to interact with the computer again, I have to make sure that I go back to PC interactivity, turn it on to PC operation mode, and now I'm back in the computer. And a reminder, I cannot write directly on the web page because I am basically operating like a mouse on a computer. So if I want to write directly on this web page, I would have to switch back to annotation mode, and then I would be writing on top of the page.